and they're off. Rogue Rage missed it. Sangre de Toro breaks fast along with First Degree. Austin Light showing sharp return speed. Starry Night driven from the rail. Capote's Diamond from that high draw also chiming in as they race up the backstretch. A four-way scramble between Starry Night, First Degree, wide Capote's Diamond, and Austin Lights in the black jacket right there too, taking up sharply. Austin Lights check that heels. Our call at the rail. Then Ketchikan settled back 6 lengths off the pace. Rogue Rage being driven in mid-pack. Farther back then is Cigar Sam. Outside that, as they come up toward the quarter pole, is the wide Above Board. Farther back in the field to Cigar Sam and Clever Tip into the stretch. The quarter went to 22-1 in the final 2 furlongs. Capote's Diamond, Ketchikan charging on the stand side. Austin Lights now under pressure. Our call, First Degree. Starry Night has no more to give. Then Above Board, just above the 16th hole. And Ketchikan lowers the boom on Capote's Diamond. Coming down toward the wire. Ketchikan for Al Stall Jr. and Larry Melanson. Ketchikan nicely by 3.5 lengths. Capote's Diamond second. Farther back then Above Board caught Austin Lights for third.